sunshines. Well, it's Saturday, so I'm gonna be doing a vlog. But I have to show you guys something.
Yeah, get your stuff in
This
there.
is Jordan. Say good morning.
Good morning. Can you show them what we're playing?
I
There's already present.
put up my tree yesterday.
This is for mommy.
And Destiny already
mommy.
decorated something. Let me turn it around. Okay, so this is my tree.
Happy dance yesterday.
And then off to the side over there on my magazine stand, I put 3 stockings, and on the windowsill I put another 3. And then the kids already started out with their. I'm gonna lose a lot of tape this year because my daughter loves to wrap up stuff. So she already started. So
Hey, now.
I'm gonna give him that.
and then
I'm good. Look, I'm gonna be
say
fine.
good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Sunshine. You're being rebellion. And then I did my little haul right here. I need to show you guys here. I got those 2 things from Michael's yesterday. So, yeah.
Anyways.
Oh, you got me something?
Yep.
This guy is walking around with all his Paw Patrol things that I purchased him for Christmas, but he found out about them, so now he's like wanting to open them. And I'm telling him he can't open them, so I'm teaching him self-restraint. Because if you guys can see, these are all the Paw Patrol little figures that I bought him. The other ones are at Walmart on layaway. But let me show you guys what I got. So I got 6 candles.
Hey, what's up? Look at your face.
I got 6 candles. So
For Christmas.
6. I got these 2 items for free. And then I got the tote for $25. I paid less than that. And then I got 12 hand soap. All for $75. A tote and 2 candle holders.
I'm gonna do my face.
So that was my Black Friday haul.
Mommy, are you gonna make us a
So
Shoot me on
this is what they like to do.
Call of Duty. Black Ops. Man, no. Call of Duty Black Ops.
No, you put Minecraft on.
No, my worst enemy. Anyways, I'm gonna shoot the bus window and then throw a grenade in there, and then the whole thing blows up, and I blow up, flip over.
You play Little Marvels, you play Minecraft.
Call of Duty Black Ops still.
Oh, your present's down there. It's a square.
It's a square.
It's paper.
Yeah. And it's something. Daddy.
Yeah, it's
This is from Jordan. You can open that right now. And this is from Jason.
Jason.
It
Okay.
says to mommy.
Can't wait for Christmas. Jackson, what did you get us?
Nothing. Mommy,
You're
wrap
not
that.
opening that.
Can I wrap that?
No, just put it on the tree.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I just came back from
Baby Zara.
Baby Zara's.
Where?
My husband and I went to go do the baby registry because it's what we're gonna be shopping from. It's not mainly for anyone else. It's just for us to know what we need.
Okay.
Ask your sister.
Give it to me.
It's just for us to know what we need, and I can shop from that every week. And so we went and we did that, and I have the list and everything. And we also got a few items which I'm gonna be doing a baby buy. An actual first baby buy. Sit down. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you guys what I got. And also I got these little stickers for, pregnancy countdown with your belly and stuff. It's really cute. I did that with the other kids, so I figured I'd do that with this baby as well. So yeah, so I figured I would update you guys. Who left their stuff on the thing? Oh, but right now I'm just gonna be hanging out here with Stinker Butt. Gio, what's up? What's up? What you doing?
Open these.
Yeah, he
I'm
finally
opening.
decided he was gonna open those. Even though I told him that we weren't gonna open them, He's finally decided that he was gonna open it, so whatever.
I got the bag
I am
out.
so tired.
I got the bag out. I got the bag out.
You got the badge?
Yes.
So
Hi, boy.
you haven't decided if it's a girl or boy? What do you want?
I'm girl.
A girl?
Mom, you know I decided? Hey girl, what's your
girl.
better? Because then goes when we play games.
Okay.
My voice.
Jaxson, what do you want? A brother or a sister?
A sister.
A sister? Okay. So, they have their order in. I just want a healthy baby. That's all. Oh! Nothing. I just couldn't get up. I don't think I have anything else to do for today.
You know Wendy's watching the videos?
Hmm?
Wendy's watching.
Oh, you know what I hate, guys? I hate when you tell other people that you're pregnant, and then all of a sudden they're like, they're like, oh, I'm so jealous and this, that. And I've always seen those kind of posts on Facebook where they're like ranting, people that struggle with infertility, and they're like ranting about, going on and on about, the fact that they have such and such, their cousin, whatever, that just got pregnant and they have 4 or 5 kids. So what? Be happy for that person. Just because they have 4 or 5 kids doesn't mean that that they're not happy to be pregnant. And just because you're struggling with infertility does not mean that that's my problem or you need to put your problem on me. I had my share of problems that I had to overcome and deal with. So let me enjoy, the fact that I can have children. Let me enjoy the fact that, I can get pregnant easily. Let me enjoy that before you go ruin it by, oh, it's not my fault.
Are you okay?
So I never said it was your fault. You're the one that put it on me, because
You might want to go in there.
I'm just like so over it. I'm so over people not genuinely be happy for you when you're on baby 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't care how many babies I've had. It's just the fact that a new baby brings joy, regardless of what number it is. Regardless. So don't hate on me because I have 4 children and going on 5. Don't hate on me. Do not hate on me because I will. Don't come for me because I will send for you. Is that how? Ew! Dad, can you close that bathroom door?
Hey, Daddy.
Close it!
Jordan, why do you smell like that?
You don't want to be in this house right now.
Daddy.
So, just be happy for people. Genuinely be happy for other people because you don't know their struggles and what they have had to overcome. That's just my little message for today. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Well, not a vlog. I'm going to be doing a video. An actual sit down video where I put up all my lights over there. My camera, everything. I haven't done one of those since I did the small YouTuber tag thing. So I'm going to do one of those. Probably sit behind my tree. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Oh, they just plugged in the tree. I'm not taking no picture. I'm about to sit behind that thing and do my video for my baby. Bye. Oh, did you guys plug in the outdoor one? Oh, there go my outdoor tree. Honey, you're blocking. There my outdoor tree. Pretty. I'll show you guys when it lights up later. Lights up when it gets darker later. But yeah, my tree again. Helena, what you getting ready to do?
I'm first place. I'm first
Oh,
place.
okay.
So here.
I don't know where to go.
Did you get a time limit from Daddy?
What time limit?
You need a time limit for how long you're gonna be. You need to go over there and clean up that
Yeah,
mess.
what time is it, son?
It's Jaxson, not
You
mine.
come off at.
That's
You come
all
off and it says 310, okay?
310. Okay.
That's all his stuff, not mine. I'm not into that baby stuff.
Oh, it just turned on?
Why does it have to be so loud in this house? Like really, it does not have to be so loud and dark in here.
I don't like the darkness in here.
I don't like it either.
Go to the practice.
What was I gonna tell you guys? Oh, and also,
Go to the practice.
I don't know if I should just do baby buys or I should do also like weekly pregnancy updates, because I'm not good at updating anything. Because like, what am I updating? How big my belly's getting? I don't know. I'll let you guys know though what I decide.
Why? Put your headphones on.
Okay.
Hi honey.
Hi.
Want to say hi to the people?
Hello, people.
Say hi, sunshines.
No,
Don't,
you're not my sunshine.
why are you changing
They're
now?
not my sunshine.
Before he said sunshines, and now all of a sudden he's going back on his words.
Oh, Call of Duty's on.
No, you need to say
Hello,
hi,
sunshines.
and you better mean it.
Hello, sunshines.
Okay, there you go. I got a smile out of him, so you know he means it. But I'm gonna go, guys. Look at this. Ah, isn't that pretty?
You gonna play one-on-one or you gonna play with people?
It's my husband's cigarette. He needs to quit. Isn't that pretty? I'm gone, guys. See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.